Welcome. We are following this book. Today discussion on managerial accounting and overview. Today's lecture on what is managerial accounting and three activities in decision making. Here we have what is managerial accounting. Actually, managerial accounting is concerned with providing information to managers for use within the organizations. That means here managerial accounting just is concerned with providing information to managers. That means managerial accounting provide information to managers for use within the organizations. Within the organization means inside people who control and organize the organizations, we provide information them. That means manager accounting information within the organizations employees. Okay. Thus are to managers. That means managerial accounts helps managers perform three vital activities. Number one, planning. Second, controlling, and third, decision making. We'll discuss them later slide. This is the planning. The planning involves establishing goals and specifying how to achieve them. So we can set up a goal. That means this is our goal, this is our target, and we are specifying how to achieve them. We are specifying, that means this is our part. We specify. This is our steps. Okay. So step by step we need to be reach the goals. Okay. So here to need we need uh, to specify how to achieve them. Suppose our goal or our target is to recruit employees. That means best and brightest university graduates. It's our goal. Okay. So that times we have some specific questions. We have some specific questions and specific steps to achieve this goal. Okay. For this achieving goal, we need to prepare a budget. Also, we need to prepare a budget. What is budget? That means we call it plans are often accompanied by a budget. A budget is a detailed plan for the future that is usually expressed in formal quantitative terms. Okay. So we call it planning involves establishing goal. That means we need to be established goals and specify how to achieve them. And how to achieve them, we need to be think about this matter. And number second, controlling. The controlling involves gathering feedback to ensure that the plan is being properly executed or modified as circumstances change. Very easy to understand, I think. Here we can show a line. This is our goals line. This is goal. This is our object. This is our target. Okay. So here we need to ask some questions. Some question, that means we have a questions here. We have a questions here in planning, and here just we controlling involve gathering feedback. That means here this process would involve gathering. That means this controlling process involves gathering, evaluating, and responding to feedback. To ensure that this recruiting process, that means this recruiting process here in planning, or we recruit some employees. That means the best and brightest university graduate we recruit. So here we call this is the gathering, evaluating, and responding to feedback to ensure that this recruiting process meets expectations. So we call this is the controlling. And that the plan is being properly executed. Whether the plan is properly executed or not, just we will examine it in our controlling process, or modify as circumstances changes. And suppose this is a step, and this step we have obstacle. So how can we remove this obstacle? Just discuss this controlling, and we need to be modified these matters. Okay. So here we call this is a modified as circumstances sense. If the situation sense or circumstances sense, if we find any obstacle, that times we need to be modified this planning. That means we call it, this is the controlling process. Okay. So here in our controlling process, we will prepare a report. We will prepare a report. We call it, this is the performance report. The performance report, just we have two matter here. This is first one. This is the budgeted data and this is the actual data. So we will compare the two data. That means we call it this report. The part of the control process includes preparing performance report. The performance report compares budgeted data to actual data in effort to identify and learn from excellent performance. Okay, and to identify and eliminate source of unsatisfactory performance. That means if we find any unsatisfactory performance, we must eliminate this performance. And here also we prepare performance report. Okay, that means we use this performance report, or performance reports can also be used as one of many inputs to help evaluate and reward employees. We can reward the employees if we find our report is nice. Okay, this is our planning and this is our controlling. In controlling, just if we in our performance report we tell this matter. If we find the employees are doing better, that times we can reward them. Now decision making. This is the third point. Decision making involves selecting a course of action from competing alternatives. So what is course of action? And from competing alternatives, we have a lot of competing alternatives. Here competing alternatives, one we call this is the to implement a new software system. Number two, to upgrade a piece of equipment. Number three, we call it to provide extra training to its employee. Okay, so here in decision making process, just you know that all companies have to decide among competing improvement opportunities. That means all companies have to decide among competing improvement opportunities. Okay, so here we call overall planning, controlling and decision making. We call here this portion of this discussion explained that the three pillars of managerial accounting are planning, controlling and decision making, and this helps prepare a person to become an effective manager by explaining how to make intelligent data driven decisions, how to create financial plans for the future, and how to continually make progress towards achieving goals by obtaining, evaluating and responding to feedback. Okay, so that's all in our planning, controlling and decision making. We also show some more explanation here. Planning, the planning process would begins by establishing a goal, such as our goal is to recruit the best and brightest college graduate. Already I have discussed in planning portion in our previous slide. This is a previous slide in our planning activities. I have discussed it, and answering numerous questions here. Numerous question here: how many students do we need to hire in total and from each major? And we have a lot of questions here. And in our controlling, this process would involve gathering, evaluating and responding to feedback to ensure that the recruiting process meets expectations. So here we have also some questions. This is the question number one: did we succeed in hiring and plan numbers of students within each measures of at each schools? And in our third controlling prepare performance report. Performance reports compares budgeted data and actual data. Okay, and number third, decision making. Perhaps the most basic managerial skill is ability to make intelligent and data driven decision here. The examples of decision making, we have some example and some questions here. And that's all. Our next lectures on 7 key difference between financial management and accounting. Okay, thank you.